Welcome to our YouTube channel, GIJO Gadgets. Yes, today I'll be making another unboxing video. Okay, so I have received this portable digital audio player from a friend who saw me got a YouTube channel. So during this MCO lockdown, he just give it to me and say, nah, at least got something for you to do and make a video, this and that. Anyway, thank you very much. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to unbox this gift. This is a speaker. The brand is Rolton Discoverer of Leisure Life E500 portable digital audio player. Okay, so handy, and this is the back of the packaging. The technical parameter, it's output 3 watt plus 3 watt. Okay, it used the USB as a charger, 5 watt and 1 ampere. Okay, the working voltage is DC 3.7 volt. The LiPo capacity size is 1500 mAh. Right, impedance is 4 ohm, and the audio format you can play is MP3, WMA, and also WAV ref file. Okay, the weight is 198 gram, so it's small. Okay, manufacturer by Shenzhen Mando Technology Corporation Limited. Okay, so we'll unbox it now. Okay, nice packaging. Oh, okay, it's purple color. Yeah, it's been ticked here, purple color. Okay, so okay, quite handy. Built-in with 2 speaker inside, digital button. Wow, it's a new type of radio. Okay, so it comes with the USB charger, USB cable with a micro USB, very standard. A lanyard, or not lanyard, what do you call this? A hanger you can put on your wrist. Okay, just probably want to put here right now. Okay, just slot it in, and then okay, there you go. Yeah, right. So you can, when you walking, probably want to hold it like that, and you put on your ear. Okay, and then this is the manual book, hi-fi stereo player. Okay, yeah, the product manual comes in English. Okay, no Bahasa Melayu, there's no Chinese. Okay, so this works as a Bluetooth speaker as well. All right, so let's try power up. Before power up, this is the micro SD card slot, TF card, and this is oh, okay, light. Okay, there's a torchlight, can act as a torchlight. All right, okay, and then there's a dial here, probably is the volume, and you can plug in your headphone. There's the LED, and also this is the micro USB for you to charge. All right, right. So this is the antenna. You can listen to radio. Okay, it's not like the classic radio. All right. Okay, so power up.
Bluetooth.
Can hear? Okay, I power up again.
Bluetooth.
Okay, we have Bluetooth also. So what we can do with this? Okay, you can act as a music player by putting the TF card, SD card, and also become a FM radio. And then Bluetooth connection with mobile phone or tablet computer. Okay, becoming a hand-free function as well, and also selfie function. Okay, selfie. Okay, you can use as a selfie, where you can connect to your phone using a Bluetooth, and then act as the camera, a picture camera shutter button. Okay, and also other function as a PC speaker. Okay, flashlight, timing shutdown, recording. Okay, well, seems there's a lot of function you can use with this. Okay, so let's try on the radio first. Okay, so radio under the FM mode. This is the mode. Oh,
Radio mode.
okay, radio mode. Okay, now search. Okay, probably because indoor I have to pull out the antenna. Okay, let's search. It's searching. Okay, so not sure if able to get search. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it detects few. Okay, I think it's saving already. It's saving the frequency of the radio station. Okay, let's just wait for a while more.
Pemimpin politik yang ditahan dibebaskan bagi merintis jalan penyelesaian.
Okay, it's automatically saved. It's automatically saved all the radio station. So now I just search the station has been saved.
Kita nak sama.
Okay, that's the volume control. The volume from 0 to maximum 30. Maximum volume is 30. Wow, very clear, very clear. Okay, it's very clear. The radio is very, very clear. Okay. Even the audio, the music, I can feel the vibration on the bass, the vibration on the radio itself. Okay. So we have a selfie also. Now you can record as well. You can record as well. So how do I go about it? Oops.
Bluetooth.
Okay.
Record mode.
Record mode. Okay. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. Oh, okay. I need to put on a SD card for recording. Okay. And then there's a Bluetooth. Can selfie. Sorry. As a hand-free. Okay. Not bad, huh?
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
Selfie mode. Radio mode.
Okay. Thank you very much. I love it. It's very, very handy and small. Okay, so this is the Rolton E500 portable radio. Okay, so hope you like it too. Okay, thanks for watching.